what does this all mean for the listener?
Broadly, what this means for compliance and risk professionals is that you aren't just rule followers anymore. You are the architects keeping the engine from exploding while the car is being rebuilt at 100 miles per hour.
First, the UK is facing a stagnant macroeconomy, with 2 million unemployed forecasted by year-end despite stubbornly high wage inflation.
Yep.
Second, the AI exponential is forcing a complete rethink of regulation, with leaders demanding FAA-style grounding powers over hardware compute thresholds. Third, the FCA is overhauling who gets a mortgage, moving away from a rigid zero-risk lending culture. Fourth, the regulatory enforcement against fraud and non-disclosure is brutal, exposing a multi-billion-dollar asymmetry between banks and tech platforms. And finally, the structural plumbing of the economy is undergoing immense mandatory stress testing.
And I want to leave you with a final thought to mull over. Building on Dario Amadei's AI essay, he outlines what he calls a Tier 3 scenario. This is a future where AI creates unprecedented human unemployment, but also generates massive economic abundance, funded by universal capital accounts and digital dividends.
Wait, like a universal basic income?
Essentially, yes.
Uh-huh.
And if that future arrives where human labor is no longer the primary engine of personal income, what happens to the entire foundational concept of credit scoring? How will a retail bank underwrite a mortgage application or assess a business loan when the traditional salary model simply doesn't exist anymore?